Hello guys, welcome back to Ultra Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix external hard drive is not detected or it's not showing up on your Windows and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here in the search and you have to search for CMD and you have to search for CMD and click on run as administrator and go for yes. And now you have to paste a command. So I'll be giving the respective command in the description, so you don't have to worry, and you have to press enter. Now you'll be getting like this, and now from here you have to click on advanced, and which means apply repairs automatically. You have to tick this and go for next. So this will be detecting any kind of problems if you have, so you just have to wait for it. And once after that we'll be giving you the next instruction, so kindly wait for it. Now once after this, as you can see that I have an issue, high definition audio controller has a driver problem. So if you have one, you have to select it, or else you just have to skip it. So you just have to select this, and this will get it will keep working. So it will be detecting the problems and doing the respective actions to be done on it. So this is what you have to do. And once after trying this, you have to go for a restart, and if it's not working, then you just have to close this. Right, so next thing is you just have to go here in the search and you have to go for edit power plan. You have to search for edit power plan and you have to click on this. Now from here you have to click on change advanced power setting. Now from here you have to navigate to USB settings. From here USB select this one you have to select, and you just have to, as you can see, that setting is enabled, so you have to select it and go for disable and go for apply and go for OK, and this is what you have to do. And once after trying this, just restart your PC and also connect your external hard drive once again back to it, so most probably the issue will be fixed. If it's not fixing, then do let us know in the comment section so that I can help you out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.